Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the Shoe Stump unboxing video series, One Take Wonders. Here we are with a brand I've talked about before. But, you know, some brands do new things and want to highlight them via the unboxing series. And I'm always happy to help friends out and brands that I support. So here's a new collection by Handgrade Shoes. Now, we're going to skip all of the what the box like and the packaging and all that, but let's just take a look. The model is called the Sussex in dark brown calf in a size UK 6.5 F. Well, I will look at this because this looks a bit beefier than what I remembered last time. So this is a whole pamphlet, return label. Handgrade, do you need to return an item? Then it gives you, wow, they're such a step ahead, man. Gives you the email, gives you your order ID, tells you how to return your items, tells you that you cannot wear them outside, how to wear them, how to try them. Very interesting. To get the true fit of a shoe, we recommend sitting for 15 minutes, allowing the leather to warm and ease to the shape of your foot. This makes a huge difference and could affect your decision to return or exchange them. Very true. Because leather adapts, leather molds. When leather's new, it's stiff, doesn't form. It needs to be softened, and the heat of your feet allow that. Very interesting. Then it has the return label, commercial invoice, has what's in the order, shoe trees, shoes. Just in case you feel like going back to buy more, there's a couple recommendations. And on the back, how to care for your shoes. This is top class stuff in the box here. I can't lie, as a business owner myself, I could only aspire to having the same type of, I don't know, packaging and details and everything. This is really good stuff. Really good stuff. Wow. Okay, sorry. As a business owner, I'm very intrigued by this. As a client, you know, you guys should be too. They make it real simple for you to return your stuff in case you don't like it or they don't fit or whatever. I think it's I mean, Handgrade has world-class service. They're famous for that, and it definitely shows why. All right, let's take a look. Shoehorn and shoe cream as always. I won't go into that because I've said it before. All right, now do bear in mind you're gonna see the shoes with shoe trees, but shoe trees are not included. Those have an extra cost. All right, so what we have here is Handgrade's new line, Handgrade by Carlos Santos. And I gotta say, they are a lovely shoe. Let's just take a quick look before we get into it. The sole. All right. Man, it's a beautiful pair of brown Oxfords. Very unique. But what I love most is the beautiful last shape. Man, I love round lasts. I like chisels, I appreciate them, but on my feet personally, with my stature and the way I wear shoes, I like a beautiful round last. And this is one very beautiful round last. Got a very nice shape. It's super straight last. The nice curvature on the outside. Yeah, it's gorgeous stuff. Beautiful finishing too. This color is just very pretty. Nice subtle burnish on the toe. Simply just called dark brown calf, but this is obviously has I would call it more of a medium brown calf, but it's got some nice depth to it. It's a crust leather, and you can tell they're coloring it at the factory, and they're doing a really good job at kind of antiquing the seams and whatnot. So again, this is called the Sussex model, and these are made by Carlos Santos. Their price point, at least according to when I look at the website, is $396, which I dare say is a good price for a shoe of this caliber, being hand grade. You have nice, oh, interesting. You have beveled waist, but you also have beveled soles. Now, I can't recall, I did talk about beveled soles in another video, saying that you almost never see them. I think I had seen them once more in my life. Well, here you go. Herring was probably watching that video and said, let me try to bevel the sole. Wow. And I'm wondering if this is why they did that. So something curious is they've actually hidden the stitches on the welt. So it's all flat there. And now I can see their indentations below. It makes me curious how they did that. It's almost like the opposite of the closed channel, where they flipped the leather up and then burned it, beveled it as a way to kind of seal it down. Curious, interesting. Huh. Let's see if a bunch of other brands start copying that now. But yeah, so for those that don't like to see the stitching, maybe those that like Blake stitch shoes and want to see just like a flush kind of lash shape, here's your answer, but in a welted format. So yeah, obviously you'll be able to see this in the up close detail video, but there are no stitches on the welt. I mean, they're there, but you don't see them. And it's beveled. And it creates, you know, very clean look. So yeah, interesting stuff. I didn't even realize that when I first grabbed them. All right, so my standard size is UK 6.5. Like almost all Carlos Santos shoes I have fit, they are generous. Now, I don't think I could go down because they're quite grabbing in the heel and the arch, but the toe box is a little bit generous in length and width. Granted, I have a narrow toe box, but usually in a 6.5 it's quite snug because I'm really a 7 narrow. I did notice as well that they have, and I didn't confirm this with the guys that sent me the shoes, I don't know if these are hand lasted, because they have a arch stiffener that extends to here, and you feel that. You have substantial arch support. Now, usually you only find arch stiffeners that actually extend to the joint of your forefoot in hand lasted shoes. But I just don't feel that these are hand lasted, so it's curious to see that they were able to extend an arch stiffener in a production shoe. Nonetheless, they have done so. And so yeah, you get a bit of solid arch support there, you know. For those that have collapsible arches, it's going to keep you sturdy. Nice lovely lining, herring by Carlos Santos. Beautiful stuff. Just checking things out. As always, to be fair, not fair, to be very blunt and honest, Carlos Santos always has flawless finishing. It's one thing they are very good at. Little peak Balmoral, which is very nice, classic, elegant, unique. Beautiful stuff, beautiful shoes. $400. This is some of the best you're gonna get value-wise out of Europe. It's a great shoe. Love the blue sole. I know the last pair I had was a green sole, but maybe they just kind of switch it up by line. Little heel plate says Carlos Santos Handgrade. Lovely shoes. Anyway, great value. Herring's relationship with Carlos Santos continues to pay off in beautiful footwear. It's a great kind of teamwork between the two. Herring with great value and service, who's got probably the most reputable customer service there is in the industry, and there's no doubt as to why. Beautiful pair of shoes if you're looking for kind of classic with a twist. The Carlos Santos range always offers that. No visible flaws, nothing out of the ordinary. Unique new features with the kind of blind stitching on the welt. It's there, but it's hidden. And the beveled sole, something different. So if you're looking for something unique and different that most likely you won't have, here you go. The new Handgrade line by Carlos Santos for herring. All right, I hope you guys have enjoyed. Got lots of new stuff. Soon gonna be doing video podcasting with my new Blue Yeti microphone, so do stay tuned. I'll get into more of that. I gotta go open my shop now. Wishing everybody a great day. Thanks for tuning in as always. Take care. Bye.